Oh, no, we're gonna juice it. Yeah, we're gonna juice it. Hey guys, I don't know about you, but we're getting into quarantine mode, so we're just making an awesome immunity boost juice today. It's such a good way to get nutrients and vitamins into us and our kids quick smart. Come join me. All these bits here, can you pop them in the bowl for me? Thanks, mate.
I'm making
We're making juice.
we're making juice.
And what's juice good for?
Drinking.
Yeah. And it makes us healthy, doesn't it? And yeah. 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 Ready, Moji?
I want to be there.
Yeah, can you throw it in? Good boy. There's some more. We love our M's for Kids for around the house. It's so good for when we're juicing, blending, vacuuming, when the siblings are being annoying. Poppy likes to put them on every now and then. They're so good for just bringing some peace and quiet and doing fun, loud things without damaging anyone's hearing. Is that yummy? Is that yummy?